Hello, friends. Welcome back to Digital Marketing Tips and Tutorials. The channel. Today, we are going to learn how to track the live traffic on a website. So, we are here on the dashboard. You can see the basic things, the users on the website that has come the last 7 days, and on the right hand side, you can see the users in the last 30 minutes. Actually, that's the live traffic. So, if you want to see more details about the live traffic on the website, you can just click on the second link, reports link, and a new page will be loaded. And in that section on the left hand side, click on the real time, the second link, click on that. So now you'll be getting more details about the real time or live traffic. So in the last 30 minutes, you have two users in the last 30 minutes, and you can also see the location here from where the traffic is coming. You can also see the like the traffic sources, whether it's direct, organic, referral, or anything, any other, and also the pages that the users have landed on. So these are all very important insights and data that you need to analyze while checking the traffic of your website, and this is the most basic thing. So there are other points which we need to discuss, but I will not be discussing in this video. I will discuss in my further video that will follow after this. So if you have I hope this is useful for you. So if you are coming for the to the channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload new video onto this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.